Welcome to Module 4, Marketing and Sales Strategy. Here you'll discover how to maximize your potential. So, let's dive in. First up, marketing strategy. Ever wondered what makes a brand stand out? It starts with a unique value proposition, your UVP. It distinguishes you from competitors and attracts customer loyalty. Then we'll explore strategic marketing channels. Different channels can make or break your reach. Up next, we dive into the difference between advertising and publicity. They might seem similar, but they play very different roles. And let's not forget branding and positioning. Your brand is more than a logo, it's your identity. By the end of this section, you'll have an assignment to help you apply these concepts to your business plan. Alright, moving on to sales strategy. We'll start with the sales process and funnels. Understanding each step is crucial to closing deals. Then comes pricing strategy. How do you set a price that maximizes profit but remains attractive to your customers? Next, sales forecasting. Predicting future sales can help you make informed business decisions. Finally, we'll cover customer acquisition plan. This is your blueprint for gaining new customers. Another assignment will wrap up this section, giving you practical experience in crafting a sales strategy. So, are you ready to master the art of marketing and sales? Let's get to work and unlock your potential. And remember, the more you engage with these modules, the more you'll get out of them. See you in the next lesson.